In this video, I'm going to tell you an amazing hosting a domain coupon code through which you can save as much as up to 91% and a free domain from Hostinger. So what you have to do is to simply click on the discount link mentioned in the description of this video. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed over here. Now I'm going to close this code. It's an AI support, and so that you can see the screen over here. First of all, the best thing regarding Hostinger is Hostinger has 30 days money back guarantee. Now I'm going to tell you step by step on how you can claim a free domain plus a coupon code through which you can save up to 91% discount. So this is only valid for the people who click on the link in the description. So once you click and now you are landed over here, scroll below with me. And before you buy anything from Hostinger, let's see their reviews on what people are saying regarding Hostinger. And Trustpilot is an industry's independent review-based website, and let's see what people are saying for Hostinger on Trustpilot. So 4.7 ratings and see some reviews. Hostinger AI code is around every corner. 5-star. Had an issue, but they're going to help. 5-star, 5-star. So you can see the majority of the reviews are 5-star. But the best thing is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, which is an amazing thing. And now scroll below. Hostinger supports Hostinger Horizon. It's an AI tool to create your website or web app. Hosting also supports WordPress. And if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger service. So either you have one website, 100 website, and using another company and wanted to shift to Hostinger, Hostinger is going to manage all, and that too free of cost over here. And if you compare it with the market cost, it's very cheap to get it transferred. So now scroll below and move on to the plans. All of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel anytime and 24/7 support with all of the plans. Now, if you ask me which plan to offer, my recommendation is to offer the business plan. Here you can save up to 91% off, but you can also offer other business plans as well, like a premium plan or cloud starter. I've been using business plan, and you're also getting the free domain as well. So if you click on the link in the description, you will also be entitled for the free domain for the first year. So you can offer other plans as well depending upon your requirements. So I highly recommend you do a thorough search before you select the choose plan with any of the plan. But let's be going with the choose plan, business plan. Here 79%, and I'm going to make it 91% plus free domain for you guys. So once you select the choose plan, now you are being redirected to another page, and now you have to select your billing period. By default, Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, and 24 and 48 months. But if you want to save the maximum amount of money, I recommend you to offer the 48 months because these prices won't appear again. And once you select the 48 months, you're going to see that you are also getting a free domain for 1 year with this order as well. So it's an amazing thing because you clicked on the link. So now you can claim a free domain by writing over here or later on through the Hostinger control panel. But please keep in mind the free domain is only valid for the first year. It's not valid for the second year. So make sure to select the domain for the first year only if you do not want to pay anything additional. So you can see I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for the free, but you can select multiple billing periods as well. But again, the free domain is only valid for the first year. After this, see you got it at 79% because you have clicked on the link in the description, and now you're also getting daily backups. Do your math, and now a further 10% discount coupon code which you can find in the description of this video along with the special discounting. Once you apply over here, you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further 10% discount on already running discount. So 79 plus 10 is 89%, plus daily backups makes it more than 91%, and a free domain as well. It's an amazing deal for anyone who want to buy their hosting from Hostinger. It's an amazing deal. So after this, simply select the continue over here, and you may be asked to register at Hostinger by writing your email ID or synchronize with the Google account. I'm going to synchronize and get back to you. So now I'm just logged into my Google account, and I'm at the last part, and before I do, I can see my order summary over here. My coupon code is loaded, my discount is loaded over here. It's more than 91% with this amazing domain coupon code of Hostinger. Now I'm going to write my billing details and simply select the continue and move on to the last part. Once I write my billing details, I'm going to move to the last part, and that is selecting payment methods. Hostinger offers you a variety of payment method, guys. You can pay with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinKit. So guys, you have a variety of payment methods to choose and to pay your payment at Hostinger. So you can use any one. For instance, if you want to use a credit card, simply select the credit card, add a new payment method, write your credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. And once you do the select the submit payment, within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. Just for a revision, I have been using Hostinger from the last 5 years, so my experience so far is very good. The domain coupon code is amazing thing for anyone who want to enjoy their hosting from Hostinger with as much as up to 91% discount. So enjoy your hosting from Hosting with this amazing 91% domain coupon code at Hostinger. So good luck.